everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Durban Gen from the 2nd to the 6th of August 2021 on Monday. Sibusiso is out for Lindelani's blood when he tried to run him over with a car. The drama between Mbali and Sibusiso drives an even bigger wedge between Precious and Tabo. And Snare can't believe her luck when Elvovo gave her with a brand new car on Tuesday. Mbali now has to deal with the whole family now that her secret is out. Zondo has a nasty plan to get Ngobo out of sight. Snare freaks out when she can't find Elvovo on Wednesday. While the Dlamini family is at war with one another, Lindelani decides to take action against Sibusiso. Snare forces MacGyver to take her to Elvovo on Thursday. Durban General cut ties with Sibusiso. Zondo checks Ngobo's surgery. Snare demands answers from Elvovo on Friday. The Dlaminis prepares for the Ngwelezane trip and are quietly convinced that this ritual could be their happily ever after. It just keeps raining and pouring for Mbali. Elvovo is fine things with Snare and MacGyver. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.